Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a silhouette effect in CapCut with a stunning adjustment here. So let's try open or use the stock materials from practicing. You can use a break dance video here, for example. Now you can right click and copy the video and paste in here. So there are two videos here. Choose the newer one and use the remove background or auto cut out here. So you have to join Pro if you want to save or to download the video. Here we go. Auto removal is complete. Auto cut out is complete. Now you can reposition this guy here. Next step, make adjustment. Here we go. So you can scroll down and decrease the saturation and also the highlight, the contrast, leave it be. Exposure you can turn down, shadow, white, make it black. Next, this is the silhouette. And to move the silhouette into the back, you can copy again the first video and then pass, and you can try to drag at the top video here and use the auto removal again. Auto cut out complete. Let's play the video, and as you can see, the silhouette is in the back. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.